Every choice that we make will always have a benefit and a consequence. Example, gusto mong mag-diet. Binigyan ka ng crispy pata in front of you. Pag kinain mo yan, anong benefit? Yes, definitely, you will experience maybe a burst of taste buds na masabi mo na, uy, ang sarap nito. Nabusog ka. That's a benefit. Anong consequence? Maybe, kung hindi magandang health mo, consequence could be what? High blood, possibility of stroke. Maybe later on, magkaroon ka ng opportunity na magkaroon ka ng challenge sa iyong health. So may benefit, may consequence. Now, tingnan natin yung kabila. Hindi mo kinain yung crispy pata. Anong benefit? Maybe healthier lifestyle. Maybe you get to live longer. Maybe integrity ka. That's a benefit. Anong consequence? Hindi ka nakakain. Hindi mo natikman yung cravings mo, hindi na satisfied. So, anong pinapoint out ko? Choices are very interesting kasi whatever choices you make, good or bad, laging may benefit, laging may consequence. Now, ang tanong dito, are you willing to make that choice para yung benefit outweighs the consequences?